Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Bitlocker drive encryption on Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. Right click on your start button on your Windows 11 taskbar. From the context menu, select system to open the system settings window. In the system window, scroll down to find the about section, look for related settings and click on Bitlocker to open the Bitlocker drive encryption settings. In the BitLocker drive encryption window, locate the drive you want to decrypt. Click on the option that says Turn off BitLocker to initiate the decryption process. Carefully follow any on-screen instructions provided to proceed with turning off BitLocker. This may include confirming your choice or entering a password. Once you have confirmed, the decryption process will begin. Wait patiently for the data on your drive to be decrypted. This may take some time depending on the size of the drive. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to turn off BitLocker drive encryption on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.